Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Knowledge. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss how we can print our Excel sheet clearly. You can see here too much data is here and how we can print it in a single page. So guys, first of all, you can see this is a normal view. So guys, first of all, you have to go to view option and select from here page break preview option. So guys, you can able to know where my data is coming after printing. So guys, you can see here some dotted lines in between G and H column. So guys, first of all, you have to drag this line to the end of this data, and after that friends, if your sheet has some spaces in columns, then you have to decrease it. Just friends, as you see here, in a column there's too much space, so I can drag it to here, and this is also have the same thing, and this I can also decrease this space, and this is also. So guys, this is your second step, and we can also drag it to there. And after that friends, you have to select all data by pressing Ctrl A, or you can press by there. After that friends, you have to go to home tab and select wrap text. So guys, you can adjust this data. If coming out of your cell, then that can be adjusted in the same cell. So guys, I can also decrease this space and this one also. So guys, if I press now Ctrl F2, and if you have function key in your keyboard, then you can simply press Ctrl function key plus F2 button. Friends, you can see here much space, and now if space is there, then you can zoom it so that you can see it clear, and or you can print it clear. So guys, for this go to page setup, and now you can see here adjust to 65, and now I can increase this its value. So guys, I can see it clear. It is 85 now. Let us see. So guys, you can see here this data now visible, some visible but not very clear. So friends, we again go to page setup and can increase its value to 95. Okay, I can adjust it to 95. Okay guys, then okay press. Then you can see it is more clear than before. And now we go back, and friends, now if your sheet is clear at this zooming power, then you can drag it to more. So guys, the data can be adjusted in a single row. So guys, you can be able to save your pages. So guys, now select row 1 to end of the row, just pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Now friends, go to between any two rows. I am going to this row 8512 and 8513, and you can see here there is two arrows, one in upper side and one in bottom side. So guys, just double click here, and you can see your pages has been adjusted in minimum space. Now if I print it, just pressing Ctrl F2, you can see your sheet is now visible and your pages are just 270. So guys, if you want to decrease its more, you can see here there are United Kingdom which is going in 2 rows. So just drag it to there or drag to more there, so that United Kingdom may adjust in a single row. So friends, I'm doing the same process again. Control home to go to home row, and now I'm pressing row 1 and just click Ctrl Shift and down arrow, and just double click here, and you can see it. Now friends, I'm just pressing Ctrl F2, and you can see now it is adjusted to 10 pages. instead of 227. So guys, now I will tell you how we can adjust it to landscape format. So guys, let us start for landscape format. Now go to page layout and change orientation to portrait to landscape. Okay friends, now press control function key plus F2 if you have function key. Now you can see here your data is still clear. So guys, now I am going to this show margin option and click here. You can see here you can adjust it also from there, and now I'm dragging this as these columns text are coming in 2 rows, so we can get it in a single row. So guys, you can also drag it some here, and you can also change some margin from there and can decrease its margin, and it is also from there. Now friends, if you want to make it more clear, then friends, what will you do? In the same way as I have already told you in previous in portrait format, what will you do here? You just go to page setup and increase its power to 100. Now friends, you can see it is clear. And now if you print it, then it will be very clear. Friends, I am going back, and now just pressing control home button, you can, so that you can come on your first page. Friends, now I am pressing, so guys, I am selecting all rows and again pressing here and pressing double click, so that you can get your data in minimum pages. Now friends, you can see here case 1 is coming in 2 rows, so I can drag it to there so that case 1 can be adjusted in one cell. You can some more, and I'm doing the same process again, just pressing control home button so that I can go to my first page, and just press here and control shift down button, and just again doing the same process, so that so guys, you can see here the data has been come on only on 195 pages, and if we print it, then you can see here data is very clear, and I just zoom it. Friends, you can see your data is very clear. Now friends, I'm going back and just a minute. Now friends, you can see this is my first page, and you can see here your header. But friends, if we go to second page, you can see here there is no any title. So friends, how we can get this title on every page? Just go back and go to page layout section, and here you can see here print titles. Friends, first of all I have to go to first page, just pressing control home button, and now go to page layout tab and go to page layout and go to print titles. Friends, you can see here there are 2 options, row to repeat at top and column to repeat at left. So friends, here you have to select all those cells whom you want to print at top of every pages. So guys, I am selecting here whole row, I mean first row. You can see you can also select your titles only by selecting these, but I am selecting whole row. So guys, after that I am going just click it, and now just go to print preview. You can see this is my first page, and on second page you can also see your page title, and again everywhere your title is there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and gained the knowledge. So friends, if you get my video useful, friend, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So guys, bye bye, take care, and see you on next video.